So this demonstration is showing about how to integrate OpenRoads Designer, AECOsim Designer, and Bentley Maps. So in under the Bentley's comprehensive modeling environments, the integration is very strict because all based on the DGN, and you can also set as a georeference. So the integration is just based on the reference. So let's start from the Bentley Map. So in Bentley Map, you can define your GIS system with the geolocation. So you can simply go and also have the setting the georeference for your coordinate system. For example, you can go to the geographics, select the geo coordinate. In this case, for example, I select the Singapore as VY21. So I just go to the library and then the projected Asia and then the Singapore and then SVY21 and just click OK, and then it will store it as the coordinate system will be stored. So you can simply quickly check it if you're using some of the WMFs like the Map 1 Singapore or the Map. For example, in this case, I just simply go to the raster manager. I just attach and then I will go to the Maps. So I can select different layer, area labels, attach. Then you will see Map will be connected to the internet, and you can see that the location is correlated if you're doing the georeference for the Bentley Map or any GIS data. So now we go to the OpenRoads Designer. So in the Open Designer, you can also using your georeference technology to create your models, the tunnels or the road. And in the same case, you can also go to the tools called in the OpenRoads Designer. You can see there's utilities and coordinate system as well. At the same time, you can go to the geographic coordinate system and then select back the Singapore coordinate system or any coordinate system you want. For example, I go to Singapore, I select SVY as well. So I can select it here. So to double check it, again, you can attach the B maps or you can even attach the Singapore 1 map. Let's see the Singapore 1 map in this case. I just go to the raster and then I just simply go to attach and then I go to the WMS. So I have a map 1 WMS here, so I just open it and then I just go to the field review and you will see that there's the Singapore 1 map is a reference to my design as well. Now we go to the AECOsim Building Designer. Again, in the AECOsim Building Designer, you can also draw your models with your project coordinates or georeference with the coordinate system. So again, you can go to the coordinate system, and then again, you can just simply to go to the library and get the SVY Singapore coordinate system as well. So I can just simply click OK, then it will store it as SVY 21 here. As all of the models from Bentley Map, OpenRoads Designer, and AECOsim are the DGN, so you can do it in any platform to integrate them together. So for example, I want to put everything inside the AECOsim Building Designer now, so it's very easy. So I just go to the attach, and then I can simply go to the reference. So in the reference, we just simply call attach, and just select the civil model back. So in the civil models, I just open, and then you will see there's a reprojected if there's a different project data, and if there's a in different coordinate system, you can still reproject it. So in this case, I take reprojected. So you can see I'm using an AECOsim Building Designer. You can find that the one maps and also the the tunnel that we create in OpenRoads Designer is attached here. So of course you can do it in this different rates by using OpenRoads Designer to attach the building models as well. So one more thing is I want to go to the GIS data, so I just click GIS data here, opens, and then I go to reprojected, click opens. So you can see the GIS data is also attached here as well. So you have Singapore one map, you have the GIS data, and you have the beam maps, and you have the tunnels from OpenRoads Designer, and all the models is integrated in the same GOES platform. Again, I'm not only using AECOsim Building Designer to do the integration. On the other hand, I can use OpenRoads Designer or Bentley Map to do the similar situation as well.